Hello YouTubers, lovely day today. Touch of spring in the air at last. It's looking lovely. Very sunny out today. Here are my dogs. Two of my dogs. Jack, the black one, he's a cross between a Cairn and a Jack Russell, and the other one, Sky, is a Cairn. It's a pleasure to be out today. It's been a bit chilly this morning, but lovely today. This pipe I've got is I bought it in antique stores not long back. £9. It's got how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sides. I thought it was 8, 6 sides to it. There's no marks on it, but it smokes quite well. It's okay. And I'm smoking a mixture of Maliobora and Barmora. Maliobora is from Indonesia, sent to me by Putu Kowa Toko. I think I pronounced that right, may not have. Barmora is a herbal tobacco. It looks exactly like tobacco, it smells like tobacco, it smokes like tobacco. And I had this sample sent to me, so I mixed it in with the Barmora. It smokes fine on its own. It's quite a mild tobacco. Pleasant tasting. Fairly moist. Slightly aromatic, not much. I found it a very pleasant tobacco. Mixing it with the Barmora, it just gives it a different taste. Traffic passing down the hill. Look around. Over here, Jack. I can see you then. Lovely dog. Beautiful boy. Sky in the shadows. Come over by here, Sky. A bit of traffic around here today. This is a quiet country road, but quite a bit of traffic uses it. So that's about all. Just thought I'd show you how nice it is out here today. Let you have a look at my pipe and my dogs. So until I make the next video, happy puffing.